Hello, UTLA family. This is Cecily Meyer Cruz to talk about the next step in our fight for a fair contract. The 85-member strong UTLA Bargaining Team heads back to the table tomorrow, Tuesday, after the massive SEIU UPC strike and UTLA solidarity strike. You braved the cold, the wind, some hail, and the rain to take this fight to every corner of this district. Through our strong picket lines and massive rallies, you put Carvalho and LAUSD on notice. We know that every worker is valuable. Every worker deserves dignity and respect. And every worker deserves a living wage. I want to thank you for being out there, standing, marching, chanting, singing, dancing, and providing joy in the struggle. Y'all are amazing. Our unity reset the power dynamic in LAUSD. Late Friday afternoon, SEIU Local 99 reached a contract agreement that delivers on their demands for dignity and respect. It includes a 30% raise and one-time bonuses, along with healthcare and a guaranteed 7-hour workday for thousands of workers who previously had neither. This is a game changer for tens of thousands of workers, many of whom are parents of LAUSD students and struggle with poverty wages. This win for SEIU 99 is a win for all of us and a win for our students and communities. We have now seen how far the district will go when we turn up the pressure, and we are prepared to put them in that position again. Last Friday, UTLA filed 4 more unfair practice charges against LAUSD for bargaining in bad faith, threats of retaliation, and harassment and interference in the days leading up to the SEIU Local 99 UPC strike. Together, the new UPCs increase the pressure on the district to fairly bargain with UTLA members and settle the contract. We now have updated numbers on the district's reserves as well. It just keeps going up. In the second interim report posted on the district website, projected total reserves go from $4.93 billion to $5.12 billion. Projected unrestricted reserves go from $3 billion to $3.27 billion. That's money that must be invested in staff, students, schools, and communities. When our bargaining team gets back to the table tomorrow, we demand action on our Beyond Recovery package. That includes, and not limited to, a 20% salary increase for all UTLA bargaining unit members, lower class sizes, more school nurses, teacher librarians, counselors, psychiatric social workers, pupil services and attendance counselors, and school psychologists, expanded support for special education, and permanent contract language to ensure the stability of community schools and Black student achievement program, expanded green spaces, and a plan for clean, free, and healthy schools. Carvalho has been put on notice that he better move on our demands. If that movement is not enough to settle the contract that UTLA members deserve, we will move to the next round of this fight. UTLA chapter leaders, there will be a special area meeting this Wednesday, March 29th. Be sure to attend. UTLA members, look for details on our next steps in your chapter meeting. It is critical that you stay connected with your colleagues as we escalate our fight for a contract this school year. Last week's strike showed us that our unity is our power. Collective action is our strength. Let's keep fighting for our schools, communities, and our babies, because we know when we fight, we win. When we fight, we win.